Hello everyone, this is Baljit from Jacob. Welcome on my channel. Today we are going to talk about everything you need to know before you getting some chickens. As you can see, I have 4 hens already. It's been like a month and a half since I have it. We will talk about how expensive these birds are, if it's any beneficial for them to be having in your house or not, and how much work you have to do. Because when I was thinking to have some chickens at my house, I was searching a lot before I get those, so I'm not gonna be in any like overwork or something, since the egg price is going really high, and I have thought about to have some those birds. So it's been already like 1.5 months. I have already calculated my estimate cost and everything. I'm gonna explain if they are beneficial or not. So I will talk about everything you need to know, and you will decide if you want to have some chickens. Now let's start. So as you can see, I have made this chicken coop. It is really like standard size, 12 by 6 feet wide, and it's 8 feet high. And I have this run area at the bottom, and I have this egg box, and I have a double door on the back side so you can open and clean it up. I have really customized my chicken coop so I can clean everything inside, like a nesting box and stuff is like portable. I have spent already almost $1,500 on this one to building my coop, the wood price and everything. So that's the first most of the money you're gonna spend on this thing. But I was thinking I'm gonna have chickens all the time inside, because I have a lot of room. I don't want to let them go loose because I'm gonna lose them something. But since I have a chicken coop, I didn't see anything around, and I felt to leave them alone, and they're playing around and also saving money on food. So now let's talk about other cost. I have seen a lot of people spending too much money on the stuff like vetting. I have here inside, I just have my dehatcher. I just dehatched some grass, and that machine is picking up dead grass, and I need once every month. After a month, I have cleaned this area and this area. That's all I have to do. Here at the bottom, I have a wood mulch. I thrown a little bit inside. Otherwise, you don't need nothing, because that's the way they just play at the daytime. And this area, whatever you're gonna get, you can use as a fertilizer to your farm and stuff. And the next thing, this one, I also seen a lot of people spending a lot of money on the feeders. I have this one. I just made it from like 5-gallon pot, flower pot, and I have this bucket. I got it from Home Depot. Long time ago, I was ready to throw it away. So what I just did, I screwed this pot through this plate on the wood pieces, and that's what I'm using for feeder. And as a water, this is the regular bucket I have at my house, and I have bought these one from Amazon. I think I bought these like about 10 or 20, those cups, and some teas. They go with it, because I have a planning to put a big drum over there on the corner and use these nipples and using rainwater to feed them. That's a future, but this one cost me like $20-30. So if you can make your own bedding pads like this, I use grass, you don't have to spend any money, and you can let your chickens free range. It's gonna be healthy chicken. You will get a lot of eggs, plus they're gonna clean your backyard. You're gonna have no bugs around. That's another beneficial. So before, I seen a lot of people spending money on many stuffs, like buying expensive feeders, stuff, and other stuff. I was thinking it's gonna have too much work. I have to spend too much money according to the egg I'm gonna get. So now you can see they're running around eating all the bugs and stuff. I have a big backyard. I have no problem to let them loose, and they're gonna produce free range eggs, which one is more healthy. Now let's talk about food and eggs. First couple days, because they came from other house, I bought it here, they didn't produce any egg. But after that, first couple days I got 1 egg every day. Sometimes I got 4, sometimes 2, sometimes 3. So since that time, now my average is going to be like 3 egg every day from 4 hens. So let's talk about 3 egg every day for 1 month. It's 90 eggs. I'm not sure how much price is gonna be, and I have bought 2 different style of a food. I'm gonna show you the food. I got this one, it's especially for egg layers. I bought it this one, but the tax and everything, $26, 50 pound. And I got this feed. This one have a corn, wheat, and a couple of other things are mixed. It's like a scrambled, and it's cost me like $16 for tax and everything. So total cost was like $42. Between those 2 feeds, I put this one every second day, and that one I have a filled already and is there. So this one was like about 5-6 pound, and it's still a lot inside. They haven't finished. This one I think it's pound or 2 pound. So both, if we calculate, they have a like eat 4 hens about like 6 to 7 pound. Which one is only $3-4. So the 4 hens, top of the head say like 1 hen gonna eat $1 per month, the worth of food. That's all they're gonna eat. But if you let them loose, like they let them run around, then you're gonna save a lot of money. The water, I have a fill the second time, it's still like half. So water you need all the time. They need a lot of water. And if we calculate our cost, you feeding $1 per hen per month for food, and you getting almost like say 20 egg, and it will be 20 egg cost might be like $10. So you're still saving a lot of money, and top of that you are getting organic eggs. You don't know what kind of eggs you're getting. If you go to store, they are organic, they are not, they are like fertilized or what a kind of egg. So now those eggs are like really healthy eggs. If you are really thinking about your health, I think it's worth to have those chickens. I think only coop cost is the high cost. Other than the chickens also have a fun. I have my kids, like my daughter, she always play with them. Also I have a scene, basically before I spend a lot of time on the phone on the weekend on the TV and something. Now I get out, I play with them, I talk to them, even they don't might understand, but that's another kind of fun. And cleaning your house, and house will be out of bugs, that's another beneficial. So we have 4 hens right now, and I have ordered my new hen baby chicks. They're gonna be arrive in May and June. We will make another video about those, like how we gonna start. And I have also some planning for them. I have no experience, I have no prior experience about the handling the chickens, but I'm learning. I have a lot of good contact on YouTube. I'm asking a lot of questions, so that's why I made this video, to just ensure if you are thinking to have some chickens, so you know what cost you're gonna pay at front, then you're gonna get some organic eggs and have some funds. So these chickens need a really good take care. You can let them go, but the thing is, as I'm thinking, they're not just a chicken, they are a family member. They have a life, so we have to take care of them. We worry about them not getting hurt or something. And also, most important thing, you don't want to have your chickens get sick. So that's why you have to keep your coop clean. I clean because I have only 4, so that's why I cleaned after a month. Other than my every week, you just, if you have more than like 10, you can keep clean every week. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hope I have your answer if you're thinking about having chickens. That's all for today. Meet you next video with a new topic.